Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Discord. We are investigating an issue where threads in a small number of servers are unavailable. So that's coming up. First step, what you need to do here, you need to go to Task Manager, then go to Discord here, and then you need to completely close Discord app. Should be not on system tray as well, no Discord app here. Then on search, you just need to write run or simply press Windows and I key. And then here you need to write %appdata%. Press OK. Then you need to look for Discord folder here, and then you need to right click on it and delete it. Okay, and press continue and wait for a couple of seconds until it's deleted. And then simply launch Discord and then it should work. If it's not working, mobile app is working just fine, as well as a desktop version. You just need to go to discord.com and log into your account. And also, it's well-known issue on discordstatus.com. As you can see here, we're investigating an issue where the threads in small number of servers is unavailable. So just go to discordstatus.com and look if there is this issue still on Discord server status here. If it's not, then probably the issue should be solved if you apply all the fixes on my video. That's pretty much it.